Hello students, so let us start with our practical now. It is in consequence with in the sequence with my previous video. So to measure the time period of oscillations for the object of various geometrical shapes but of same sizes, so I need what? I need three geometrical shapes. Like I have a circular, I have rectangular, I have triangular. I need a stopwatch, I need a telescope, and the arrangement to uphold all these arrangements over there. Now as we have already derived a formula which says that t square is equal to 4 pi square k square plus l square by gl, and if I sort out to find out the value of k out of it, I will be getting something like this. Now out of it, g I already know, 4 is a constant, pi is a constant. What I need is I need t. Now this is a time period, I will be finding it later on, and this is l. L is the distance. As I have already told you, L is the distance of a hole from that of the center of mass, and in my case I am considering that my center of mass is exactly lying at the middle point of this circular disc. So let me find it. So I will be using my scale here. So for scale, if I will be putting, I'll be getting something like this. Approximately you can see, okay, you can see like this. I have roughly I have taken my scale at the middle of the hole, and my answer comes out to be 5 centimeters. So let me write this as a 5 centimeter, that is L. I have got the value of L. Similarly, I can find the value of for another shapes also. This is my rectangular and this is my hole, and if I suppose this is my this is my scale, it says 44, approximately its answer will be 22. So I'll be taking 22 over here. You can see 22, I have already made a mark. Now from hole to 22, like from this to this, you can see the answer is approximately, you can see over here, the answer is approximately this 5. So in short, I have taken all these discs and taken the hole, and from hole to the center of that particular shape I have taken the distance, that is L. So another thing I need is the mass of the plate. So mass of plate, let me weigh the weight. Okay, now let me put this plate on my weighing machine, and it is giving me the answer of 250 approximately. So this is 250 grams. So I have got the answer as 250 grams. So let me write it down, 250 grams, or I can even write it down something like this, 0.25 kgs. So I have got this mass also. Now what I need is I need the time period. So what to do is, first of all, I am taking the case of a circular plate. So circular plate. So this is my knife. You can see these are said to be my knife operator's knife option. So I'm just going to insert this into the hole and just want to uphold now this.